Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Vimeo account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you upload a video into your Vimeo account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to upload a video into Vimeo anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that you need somewhere to house all of your videos, and Vimeo is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Vimeo dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my account, and this is the home screen. So if you want to go ahead and upload your video into Vimeo, there's a couple of different ways you can get there. First, here on the home screen, you can go ahead and click on upload right here. Or here on the left, you can go ahead and click on library. And once you click on library, you can click on upload. Or on the top right here, you're going to see this blue new button. Go ahead and click there, and you'll see the upload button. Either way, it's going to bring you to the same place. So let me go ahead and click on upload. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and upload a video. So you can click right here and choose a file from your desktop. Or if you want, you can go ahead and just drag the folder in. Let me go ahead and open up a folder. Okay, so I went ahead and opened up my Finder. So all you're going to do is just grab the video and just drag it right over here and drop it. And it's going to start uploading into your Vimeo. Okay, now the video is uploaded into my Vimeo. So we can go ahead and update the title. So we'll just go ahead and say coffee cup. And then you can go ahead and write a description. I'll do coffee cup again. Here you can add a thumbnail if you wish to do so. Here you can go ahead and rate the content. So this is all audiences. Okay, here you can go ahead and tag your videos. You can add categories if you want to and select a language. So I'll do English and copyright if that applies to you. Okay, so now my video is uploaded, and here on the top right, I'm gonna go ahead and click on share. Okay, here you can go ahead and edit the privacy. So this is a public video right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and make this private. If you have a paid account, you can go ahead and unlist it. So this would be something like if you have a paid course, or you can put it behind a password. Again, this is an upgraded version. For me, I'm gonna go ahead and do private. Now, if I want to embed this video on my website, I can click right here, embed, and then here's the code right here. So let me close this out. All right, now that we closed out, let me go back to my library up here on the top left. Okay, so here is my video in Vimeo. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to upload a video into your Vimeo, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.